Yo! My name is Sip Rodriguez with SipRodriguez.com, giving away another free membership, free silver membership to some of the knowledge that you need to be able to succeed in life. Okay? Well, not in life, but creating a better life for you and maybe be able to kiss that job goodbye. Okay? So, go on over to SipRodriguez.com, click on free silver membership. Don't know how long it's going to be there, but we'll see. You go through, you click on the one that you want. Today's free membership is Power Copy Club, how to write copy that gets results. Okay, then we're going to click here, join for free. Enter your name, last name, email. Now, I am an affiliate for this product. If you decide to purchase any upgrades, it will help me out tremendously. The goal of my YouTube channel is to show you how to build online income by doing it myself. So you guys actually get to see the step-by-steps. You guys get to see the wrong stuff. You guys get to see the stuff that works good. It is basically me documenting my journey to wealth, better wealth anyway. So once you go through all the upsells, you're going to come over here to Power Copy Club free silver membership. In video number 1, the one way to make more money. Okay, so let's go ahead and watch it. Well, let's take a look at the resource list. It's the same thing: apps, copywriting resources, market research, and outsourcing. Now, let's go ahead and let the video play. Let's click on the cookies, and we'll go ahead and hit play. See you after the video.
Here's something totally bizarre. I've seen so many small business owners who've totally rocked just about every part of their business. I mean, these guys study marketing, branding, traffic generation, and almost everything else they need to generate big profits. But there's one huge piece so many of them overlook. What is it? It's copywriting. In other words, they don't learn how to write persuasive sales copy. Some of these guys are darn good writers. I mean, they can tell a story right alongside Stephen King. They can turn out a blog post that's so grammatically correct their old high school English teacher is about ready to pin a medal on them. But here's the thing. Good writing isn't necessarily good sales writing. And good sales writing is where the big profits lay hidden in your business. You see, sales writing isn't about creating content that's grammatically correct. Instead, it's all about creating persuasive content that leads people to take a specific action, such as join your list, share your content, or purchase a product. I mean, you could write beautiful Shakespearean-like prose for your sales letter, but that's not going to drum up any sales. That's why you need to discover the art and science of writing irresistible, cash-pulling copy. And that's exactly what you're going to do starting right now. So let me give you a quick overview of this whole copywriting thing. The very first thing you need to understand is how to profile your target market. In other words, don't even think of writing a single word of copy until you understand your target market and what it is they want. For example, imagine you owned a car dealership and a woman walks in looking for a car. You decide to play magic mind reader and guess what she wants. So you bring her over to a 2-seater sports car. She makes a face at you and leaves the building. Turns out, this woman is a soccer mom who's looking for a minivan for chauffeuring the kids around. She wouldn't buy a 2-seater sports car if you were practically giving it away. Simply put, it's not what she wants or needs. Likewise, you shouldn't play magical mind reader with your market either, or you're going to be super disappointed with your sales numbers. So what you need to do is get out into your market and learn absolutely everything you can about them. Find out their gender, age, income, where they live, what they want, what problems they have, what solutions they're currently using, their fears, and anything else you can dig up. How do you do this? Well, you can get some of this information by doing your standard market research, but you'll get a whole lot more information by just becoming part of the target market for a while. Do what they do. Use the products they're using. Hang out and visit with them on niche forums, Facebook groups, and at offline gatherings. Find out everything you can about them. because that is one of the biggest keys to writing good sales copy that really connects with the audience. The second thing you need to understand is that good copy needs to elicit emotion. You do this by focusing on benefits, telling stories, empathizing with your prospects, reminding them of their pain, and showing them the joy of the solution. Here's a key I want you to keep in mind. People make their buying decision based on emotion, and then they justify this decision with logic. So you need to push their emotional buttons and whip them into a buying frenzy. Then, once you do that, toss a few logical justifications their way. For example, people buy a Rolex watch because it makes them feel powerful, wealthy, sophisticated, and respected. It's these feelings that push them towards the buying decision. But they still need a little logical justification, which is why Rolex reminds prospects that these watches are precision timekeeping machines. Got it? Now, before I leave you, let me tell you a bit about the typical structure of a sales letter. You may have heard of the copywriting acronym AIDA, or AIDA, which stands for Attention, Interest, Desire, and Action. That's the basic formula for writing a good sales piece. First, you create attention using a benefit-driven or even curiosity-arousing headline and subheadline. Once your audience is hooked, then you hold their attention with your sales letter opener. This is all about telling a story to engage the reader, empathizing with them, and so on. Once you have their interest, then you introduce your solution. And this is the third part of the AIDA formula, which is desire. Now you increase your prospect's desire for your product or solution. You do this in multiple ways, including listing all the benefits of your product, offering proof of your claims, such as testimonials, and using risk reversal, such as a guarantee. See how that works? Now the last part of the AIDA formula is action. Now that you have your prospects all excited about your product, you need to give them a way to buy it. This is where you put a call to action, which is specifically telling them exactly what you want them to do next. For example, click here to buy now, but hurry, this special offer ends soon. We'll be talking about all these pieces of the AIDA formula elsewhere. For now, I just want you to be aware of the general structure of a sales letter. There's one more thing to keep in mind. Copywriting expert Joseph Sugarman of Blue Blocker Sunglasses fame says that a sales letter is like a slippery slide. Every word and every sentence is designed to push your reader or listener towards the next word and the next sentence. You want to keep your copy so engaging that your reader makes it all the way down to your order button, and then they click it. That's the goal. That's it for this time. Take a look at the recommended resources section on this website where you'll find advanced training as well as tools you can use to improve your copy.
Okay, so video number 2 is how to write captivating, cash-pulling headlines. Next one is crafting compelling sales letter openers. Now, video number 4, how to create irresistible benefit statements. Video number 5 says is about sales record-shattering CTAs, which is otherwise known as call to action. Video number 6, how to write a slick risk reversal. That's pretty much when there's no risk. It's like you can get in, there's no risk, and you can get your money back if things don't work out for you. And then video number 7 is psst, they think you're lying, which, yeah, there's a lot of skeptic people out there, but you know what? You don't want to be a skeptic. You want to have an open mind. Video number 8, the conversation boosting power of a PS. A PlayStation? No, just kidding. Next, that's in the email, PS. But wait, there's more. Video number 9, good things come in small packages. That's what she said. Video number 10. Video killed the sales letter star. And that is it. Okay, well, please subscribe, like, share this free membership. I will let them know, and they will look into that and fix it. My name is Sip Rodriguez, and I want you to succeed in every way possible. I want to grow a community of people helping others, because there is a lot of wealth out there, and we should not be having to kill ourselves daily at a job that we don't like, trading time for dollars, and not being able to spend time with our family because we only have one life to live and life is short. All right. Peace. Love ya.